All right, welcome back. So let's just look at the SGX Nifty, and that is giving us reason to cheer and smile. 350 points higher, so we'll get a strong opening, no doubt. But what after that should you, if you're long, should you hold on? And if you're not, if you're light, what should you do? That's the question. And who better than Mitessh Thakkar and Shrikant Chouhan to help us with that question? Gentlemen, good morning. Good to have both of you here. Shrikant, to you first. What's your setup and what should one do? For those who are carrying positions and those who are not, what's the advice, briefly?
Yeah, good morning, Prashant. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Surya. I think, the important level is 17,340 and 17,450. So if there is any long position, then we should look for taking some profit on the long position because it's a windfall gain that they are going to get out of this particular rally. We need to see that whether the market is managing to sustain above the levels of 17,340 or not. If we see the market is sustaining above those levels, then again, we should look for adding some positions because in that case, the next level to watch out for would be 17,700. So the current formation is suggesting us that we are heading for 17,700. But the way there is gap up opening and at huge gap up opening, we should look for taking some profit on the positions. On dips, 17,250 is going to act as very good support. And if the markets are really strong, then it will not close below the mark of 17,250. That's the overall view.
Okay, Mitessh Thakkar is also with us. Mitessh, is it a given now that the 200 DMA will form a firm support for the Nifty, or could that be challenged once again? And what is your view on how today could shape up, both for Nifty and Bank Nifty?
So I think we were actually looking at possibly a breakdown below the 200-day average. Though I think, I said that, till it breaks down, we'll not go short on the Nifty futures. So that's kind of held on. Now the upside, we have seen that 17,300 odd levels have been some kind of a supply pivot on the short-term and immediate charts. I think if we start getting beyond that, then the negative setup is erased. And then you're looking at rallies happening to about levels of 17,750, 800. So I think today that would be crucial. The Nifty IT, is the index, of course, with Infosys numbers and the ADR movement happening. The Nifty IT could be the, index which I'll keep a close watch upon. I think it had a high of around 28,250, 300 3 days back. And I think if that level is being cleared, then I think the Nifty IT should gain good momentum and IT stocks should add a lot of weight to the already existing positive momentum on many banking names. So I think if that happens, then I think we are preparing for a breakup of 17,300 and then looking at 17,750, 800 as the possible target area.
Okay. All right. What about picks, Mitessh? What are you looking at?
On the stock side, Nigel, good morning. I have all buy calls, 2 IT names on the list, Coforge and HCL Tech. So Coforge is a buy with a stop at 35.95, targets of 37.50, while HCL Tech was a call yesterday as well. Now can be bought with a stop at 968 for targets of 1,050. Apart from that, Coal India is a buy with a stop at 231 for targets of 242. And IDFC is a buy with a stop at 74 for targets of 80.
How about you, Shrikant? What would your buy and sell calls be for the morning?
Yeah, I think it's a really good news for those who are like bulls of technology because IT index has started forming some double bottom or rounding bottom sort of formation. So gradually we are going to see upward activity in almost all the IT company. That's the overall view. We also like HCL Technologies because the stock has broken its previous high, which was around 980. So here we are expecting stock to move towards 1,060 or 1,080. So it's a buy at current level with a stop loss around 950. And the other stock which we like is from the finance space, and that is Axis Bank, which is around 800 levels. There we are expecting 850, 860 sort of levels. We should look for adding some positions on Axis Bank with a stop loss at 780.
Okay, gentlemen, thanks a lot for joining in. Let's get a quick handle on what's